Welcome to day 17 of your 30-day yoga challenge. Today we will be working on core and upper body strength, preparing the body for a few fun arm balances that you can try out next week, closer to the end of the challenge. Let's begin laying down on the back. Flatten your lower back on the mat. And pull your knees in towards your chest. Hold your knees, rock a little side to side on your lower back. Then circle your knees a few times in one direction and another. A few simple movements to ease into this shape. Then bring your body to stillness. Feet together, knees a little open, around hip distance apart. Lift your arms up towards the ceiling, flex your wrists, and then lift the upper body. Connect your knees and upper arms. Press your hands towards the ceiling, the front of the body really engaged here. You are in a reclined crawl. Take another breath here. And slowly release your feet, release your head down, take a break. If you need to release the front of the body, you can place your feet down and lift your hips up into bridge. When you're ready, lower the hips again. Pull your knees in towards your chest and keep them together this time. Lift your arms, flex the wrists, and this time twist to the left as you lift the upper body. Left knee pulling in towards your right tricep. Press your hands forward, lifting the upper body a little higher. One more breath inside crawl. And switch to the other side. Twisting to the right. Right knee pulling in towards your left tricep. Really press forward with your hands. One more breath to maybe lift a little higher. And come back to center. Release your feet. Maybe again press your hips up if you need to release the hip flexors. And let's do one more round in center. Open your knees slightly, press your palms up, pull your knees as high as you can towards your armpits. Press your hands up. Take one more breath here and release. Make your way up to your hands and knees through the side or rock up on your spine. Spread your fingers. Grip the mat with your fingertips. Ground your index finger knuckles. And then make a few circles with your shoulders over the wrists. A few times moving in one direction, pressing the shoulders forward, side, back, and forward again, just warming up the wrists. And change direction, keep gripping the mat with your fingertips, pressing the palms into the mat. Come back to stillness in your tabletop. Straighten your left leg back, right arm forward, parallel to the ground. With inhale, reach your arm and leg into opposite direction, find length. Exhale, pull your knee in towards your elbow. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, curl it down. One more time, inhale to straighten. And exhale, pull your knee towards your elbow. Straighten the arm and leg again. Option to stay here or find a tiger pose. Catch your left foot with your right hand and press your foot into the hand for a bit more shoulder and hip opening. Take one more breath in position where you are. And release your hand and knee down to switch to the other side. Straighten your right leg and left arm. Inhale to find more length in the body. Exhale, round elbow to knee. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, curl. One more inhale. And exhale. Straighten again, and just like on the other side, either balance here or catch your back foot with the opposite hand. Press the foot into your hand, opening the shoulder and hip, tiger pose. One more inhale, and with exhale, release down. Find your tabletop. Sip your hips back into child's pose. Reach your arms forward, maybe roll your wrists out if they are getting tired. Breathe into the back, inhale, full exhale. Come up to your hands and knees again, tuck your toes under and lift your hips up into downward dog. Ground your palms, grip the floor with your fingertips. Knees can stay bent, heels off the floor. With next inhale, lift your right leg up to the sky. Exhale, pull your knee to the chest, shoulders above the wrists. Inhale, straighten your right leg, three-legged dog. Exhale, pull your knee in towards your chest. One more time, inhale. Exhale, knee to chest. Stay here for one breath. Press the floor away from you, curl your spine. And step your right foot back into downward dog. Inhale, lift your left leg up. Exhale, knee towards your chest. Inhale, straighten the leg. Exhale, pull the knee in. One more inhale, three-legged dog. Exhale, knee to chest, pause. Press the floor away with your hands. And step your left foot back to downward facing dog. Inhale, roll forward into plank. Exhale, drop your knees down, lower your forearms to the mat, parallel to each other or interlace your fingers for another plank. Lift your knees from the floor, bring your body in one line and hold. If you feel this position too much on your lower back, try to curl your tailbone slightly down, pull your navel into the spine to engage the front of the body more. Just a few more seconds here. And lower down to your belly. Find your Sphinx pose with forearms parallel, feet pointed, heart lifting up between the upper arms. Slide your hands back under your shoulders and press yourself up into downward facing dog. Shift your weight forward into your hands again and roll to the right for side plank. Option here to keep your upper leg bent, foot on the mat, or drop the bottom knee down if a full side plank is too much for now. Find your variation, press the floor away with your right hand. With your next breath, switch sides, left hand down, right arm reaches up, and find the variation that works on this side. Right hand down into strong plank and lower down to the belly with control. Bring your right arm to the side in 90-degree angle, elbow in line with the shoulder or a little higher. Roll to the right for a different shoulder and chest stretch. Take a few breaths here. Switch to the other side, left arm in 90-degree angle, roll to the left. A few more breaths here. Come back to center, make a pillow out of your hands, bring your forehead down, pull your right heel towards your sit bones and catch the foot with your right hand. Gently press the heel down to find the stretch on the front of your right thigh. If you don't feel much stretch in this position, you might need to come up a little higher on your left forearm, so you have a bit more space to press the heel down. Release this side and switch to the other side. Draw your left heel to the sit bones and press the heel down, relaxing your forehead on your right forearm or coming up a little higher if you need to. Find position that gives you a good stretch. Stay for a few more breaths. Release this side and slowly press yourself up to your hands and knees. Walk your knees a little more forward so you have space behind you. Sit down to your heels, knees together or around hip distance. Walk your hands back to find a bit more stretch on the front of the hips and thighs. You can try lifting the hips up, tucking the tailbone down and releasing the hips down again, or coming to your forearms if you still don't feel much. A few breaths here, Stretching the front of the body, preparing for a fun one-leg balancing pose that you will do tomorrow. And slowly come up. Find a comfortable seat, maybe still sitting on your heels or crossing the legs. Close your eyes. With inhale, reach your arms up overhead. Exhale, palms together to your heart. Open your eyes to finish the practice. This was day 17 of your everyday yoga challenge. I wish you a great day and see you tomorrow for day 18. Bye!